My name's Caleb Green.
My name is Veronica Canton.
Hello, I'm Kevin Greenleaf.
My name is Pervin Taliarkin.
I'm Eric Perot.
My name is David Postalski.
I'm Sharon Israel.
I currently reside in Las Vegas, Nevada, and I work at Dickinson Wright in their Las Vegas office. And now for the last 2 years, I've been the chair of the Law Student Action Group.
I'm involved with the ABA's Women in IP group as one of the co-chairs of the group.
I'm the membership officer. I'm also counsel at Denton's, and I co-lead the post-grant group.
I am a legal counsel, in-house legal counsel with Whirlpool Corporation, and we're based in Benton Harbor, Michigan. I am the vice chair of the in-house IP committee.
I'm a partner with Gerben Perot in Washington, D.C. Right now, I'm the vice chair of the trademark division.
I am an intellectual property and patent attorney and partner at Gerhardt Law in Summit, New Jersey. I am currently the continuing legal education CLE officer of the ABA Intellectual Property Law section.
I'm a partner at Shook Hardy and Bacon in the Houston, Texas office, and I am currently the co-vice chair of the membership board for the section.
Even in the current COVID-19 climate, the virtual programming, the virtual conferences, it still gives you an opportunity to network and spread your wings. I've recently written an article in the Landslide magazine for the IP section, and that's been really good for my career. And even as a young attorney, getting my name out there and starting to establish my own reputation.
As a law student, having mentors within the IP group was a phenomenal resource, not only for encouragement, but also for guidance in terms of classes, outreach, and materials that I should keep an eye out for. Now, as a professional, it's been a phenomenal community. I don't just come to our group for continuing legal education. I genuinely have friends in the group.
I would not be where I am in my career today if I hadn't joined the ABA-IPL. I think it's definitely promoted, myself in the industry. People view me as a leader in post-grant proceedings, drafting reports and resolutions, drafting comments to request for comment from the patent office. So doing all of that work, while not necessarily billable, gives you priceless experience. Then you'll have friends that will refer work to you. You can refer work to them. You know who's the best. And so I can't encourage people more to join the section.
We each specialize in different areas of law. Some of us trade secrets, some of us copyrights, some of us patents, trademarks. I'm also now an adjunct faculty member at my law school, so I teach IP law, a clinic course with and coming back and then tapping into my friend and contact base to come back and say, okay, and everybody again is just so collegial and so ready to help each other out.
Just last year, I was able to be involved in some informal roundtables that the House Judiciary Subcommittee on Intellectual Property did in regards to what's now the Trademark Modernization Act. And I thought that it was a fascinating and insightful way to be involved, because they brought people in very early on to say, here's what we're thinking of, what are some ideas your sections have, what your organizations have, and a lot of other people, just to kind of see, is this a good idea? Should we go in this direction? And they really listened to us and incorporated our feedback. And that it's definitely an opportunity I never would have had if I wasn't involved with the ABA.
It is definitely an organization where you can shoot up to leadership if you wanted it, work on a project if you wanted it. You'll be able to get involved in substantive issues. You'll be able to write, put on webinars. You'll be able to affect policy. So that all those things show your passion to want to be in the field that you're trying to get into or trying to transition to, or that you're already in, kind of want to make a difference in.
I encourage you to join. At a minimum, you'll get some great communications and information, very informative. Will keep you on top of what's going on, both in the section and in IP law. If you have an opportunity and you can invest some time in getting involved, you won't regret it.